Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anshul Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing exercise 15.1 and I hope that you all are understanding whatever the pattern topic we are following, okay? And today I am again here with you all to continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 15.1. So I am just writing the topic on the board. The topic is exercise 15.1 and the topic is pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. This is the name of the topic, that is pattern. So today in this class I am going to start with you all the same exercise that we were doing from the last two sessions, actually 3 sessions, okay. So we have done up to A part of question number 12 and today I am going to start with the B part of question number 12, okay. So let's move to the B part of question number 12 of exercise 15.1. Okay, so just let me just write it here. 12 some B part. Okay, so as you can see in the B part, like A part की तरह B part में भी here is a diagram is given. Okay, so that's what I'm going to draw here. So let me just draw the diagram. So this is like a square is given in between. Okay, now, okay, like two figures and this kind of figure is drawn from, okay, तो इसकी चारों साइड देखिए अब ऐसे एक फिगर बनी हुई है, okay. So this is what you can see, okay. Now, okay, now divide into two parts. Here it is divided into two parts. इसको यहाँ पे हमने two parts में divide किया है. So we have divided into two parts, and this square is divided into 4 parts. ये square जो कितने parts में divided है? 4. This square is divided into 4 parts. So now, what are the various numbers that are written in this square? Here it is written 6. Here it is 9. Here it is 25, okay, and this one is missing. Here it is 12, here it is 39, here it is 16, here it is 7, 12, 18, now here 31 is given, okay, just let me write it clearly, that is 31. Now here it is blank. So देखिए, now first of all while doing these kinds of sum, what you have to do? First of all you have to observe the pattern. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? You have to observe the pattern. Okay, as I can observe the pattern in this given square, this portion is incomplete. In this is a complete one. This is also complete, and in this is incomplete and this is the complete one. Now as we were doing in the A part of the same exercise, तो हमने उसमें क्या देखा था बेटा कि every square is related to the outer portion. जो हर square है, ये वाला इससे related है, this square is related to this square is related to this, and this square is related to this. So every square is related to the outer diagram that is drawn here. Clear? So now अब आपको करना क्या है? देखिए, so first of all we will observe that which one is the completed pattern. सबसे पहले हमने ये देखना है कि इसमें completed pattern कौन सा है. So as I am observing, this one is the complete pattern. ये pattern पूरा अच्छी तरह से complete है. This one is also complete, but these two are incomplete patterns. So these two are the complete patterns and these two are the complete pattern. So while observing the completed pattern, you have to complete the incomplete pattern. तो completed pattern को observe करते हुए हमें क्या करना है? We have to सॉरी इनकम्प्लीट पैटर्न्स जो हैं हमारे उनको ऑब्जर्व करते हुए वी हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर्स ऑफ द इनकम्प्लीट पैटर्न्स. क्लियर? So let's observe the complete patterns first. So as you can see here, so 16, 17, 9. So that means 16 and 17 is somehow related to 9. 12 and 18 is 6. So 12 and 18 is somehow related to 6. तो देखिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारी अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैथ्स द फर्स्ट ऑफ थिंग दैट वी डू इज द एडिशन. मैथ्स में सबसे पहली चीज़ हम क्या करते हैं? दैट वी डू द एडिशन. ओके, सो देखिए 16 plus 7 9, 12 plus 18 सॉरी 16 plus 7 कितना होता है? 9 होता है? नो. कितना होगा? 16 plus 7 will be 23. But here it is given 9. So that means 9 आएगा? No. So addition is not possible in this pattern. So let's move to subtraction, which is the second this is the second calculation that we do. Okay, 16 and 7 is 16 plus 7 कितना? 23. पॉसिबल नहीं है. 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7 is 9. 16 minus 7 is 9 and यहाँ पे भी कितना दिया हुआ है? 9. So that means if we subtract 7 from 16 you will get 9. Now moving this pattern to this pattern, 12 and 18. देखिए एडिशन करके ऑब्वियसली देयर विल नॉट बी 6. सो इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम 18, इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम 18, 18 minus 12 that is 6. That is what we got here. So in this what kind of pattern we are following? So we are following the pattern of, इसमें हम कौन सा पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हैं? वी आर फॉलोइंग द पैटर्न ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो दैट मीन्स अगर हम इन दोनों में से इन दोनों को आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे you will get this answer, and if we subtract these two you will get this answer. So this is the kind of pattern that we are following in this sum. तो देखिए now 39 and 12 is given and you have to find this one. So that is very simple. By subtracting 12 from 39 you can calculate this one very easily. Yes, we can. So let's subtract 39 minus 12. 39 minus 12. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 27. So here we will write 27. 39 minus 12 is 27 and that is the answer what we got here. So now this one is also a complete pattern now. अब ये भी हमारा एक complete pattern हो गया. Now only this one is left. So this is the calculation that we are going to do in the rough only. Clear? Now this is given here 31 missing 25. So that means 31 में से किसी ऐसी चीज़ को माइनस करेंगे that you will get 25 और 31 को ऐसी चीज़ से माइनस करेंगे that you will get 25. So 31 में से हम क्या माइनस करें so that we get 25. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे 31 में से 25 को माइनस कर देंगे to find this one. 31 minus 25. 31 minus 25, 11. Here it is 2. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 6. So if we subtract 6 from 31, you will get 25. So if we subtract 6 from 31, you will get 25. 31 minus 6 is 25. So 31 minus 6, 25. So this is the answer that we have got from here. Okay, 12 minus 18, 6. Sorry, 18 minus 12 is 6. 16 minus 7 is 9. 39 minus 12 is 27. 31 minus 6 is 25. So this is the solution of the B part of question number 12. You can just pause it here and note it down in your books as well as in your notebooks. Okay? चलिए, now moving to the C part of question number 12, which is similar to this, but देखिए हर पार्ट में जो कैलकुलेशन है वो अलग है. In the A part we have done the addition, in the B part we have done the subtraction. So let's see what we have to do in the C part. So first of all, we will do the draw the diagram. Okay, so which is given in your book. So this is the diagram that is given in your book. So this square is divided into 4 parts. Next again, then it is drawn like this. So this is a kind of diagram that you can see in the C part as well in your book. तो आपकी जो बुक है उसके C part में भी आपको इस तरह की डायग्राम नजर आएगी. Okay. Okay. Now these are generally 2 parts. So let's write the numbers that are already given. So here it is 12, here it is 13, here it is 14, then 25, then 72, then 85, 16, 4, 30, 15. So now first step that what is the first step when we are going to do this sum? सबसे पहला step क्या होगा जब हम इस sum को solve करेंगे? So first of all we have to see that which one in which pattern is the completed pattern in the given figure. इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा pattern दिया है जो complete है? So देखिए, as I have told you in the previous sum that this square is related to these two numbers. तो जो ये हर square है हर two numbers के साथ related है. So as we observe that this one is the completed pattern, okay, this one is also the completed one, but these two are the incompleted pattern. So while observing the completed pattern, we will find the answers of incomplete pattern. Clear? जो हमारे complete patterns हैं उसको observe करते हुए we are going to find the answers of the incomplete pattern. Okay? चलिए now देखिए, so as I can see here, so 16, 4 and 12. So 16 and 4 is somehow related to 12. 16 and 4 is somehow related to 12. So that means if we subtract 4 from 16, you will get 12. If we, okay, so can we get 12? So देखिए, let's check. 16 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, 1. So the answer is 12. So is this the answer? Yes. 16 minus 4 is 12. That means we got 12 by subtracting 4 from 16. We got 12. हमारे पास 12 कैसे आया? 16 में से हमने 4 को subtract किया. Okay, so let's check this one as well. अब इसको देखिए ये कैसे आया? 72, 85, 13. So let's subtract 72 from 85. क्योंकि इस बड़े नंबर से स्मॉलर नंबर डिडक्ट होगा. 85 minus 72. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. So the answer is 13. So here it is also 13. So that means in these two patterns we have followed the pattern of subtraction. So that means if the difference of these two numbers we will write here. So we will write difference of these two numbers here. इन दोनों numbers का difference हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? यहाँ. Okay. 16 minus 4 is 12. 85 minus 72 is 13. So that means अब इन दोनों pattern में, so that are the incompleted one. जो incomplete जो patterns हैं उसमें भी हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to follow the subtraction. Okay. So 30 minus 15. So let's subtract 15 from 30. 30 minus 15. Okay, 0 will become 10, it will become 2. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 15. So the answer is 15. So 30 minus 15 is 15. 30 में से जब हम 15 minus करेंगे, the answer will be the 15 only. So that's what I am writing here. 30 minus 15 is 15. Okay, and this portion we are going to do in the rough only. Clear? Now 25, this one is missing and the answer is 14. So that means we are going to subtract such number from 25 so that we will get 14. तो 25 में से हम ऐसा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे या ऐसा नंबर माइनस करेंगे ताकि जो हमारा आंसर क्या आए? 14 आए. ओके, सो 25 में से क्या माइनस करें सो दैट वी गेट 14. फॉर गेटिंग दैट आंसर आप क्या करेंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट 14 पॉइंट फ्रॉम 25. तो 25 में से 14 माइनस करिए, 25 में से 14 माइनस करिए एंड यू विल गेट दिस वन. 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so that is 11. So that is 11. So that means if we subtract 11 from 25 you will get 40. So ये हमारा रफ वर्क है. सो here I am writing 11. यहाँ हम क्या लिखेंगे 11. 25 minus 11 is 14. एवं चाहे तो आप चेक करके भी देख सकते हैं. 25 minus 11, 5 minus 4, sorry 5 minus 1 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, so that is 14. So 25 minus 11 is 14. Okay, so देखिए in this also we have followed the pattern of subtraction. तो देखिए A part में in the same sum, the A part we have followed the pattern of addition. In the B and C part we have followed the pattern of subtraction. Okay, so now I think now you have understood that how you are going to solve a sum that is first that is related to the pattern. तो pattern वाला sum देखने से पहले आपको you have to observe कि जो आप क्वेश्चन कर रही हैं तो उसमें सबसे पहले जो completed portion है सबसे पहले आप उसको observe करिए. ओके, तो सबसे पहले आप completed portion को observe करिए, then you will get the answer of the incomplete pattern as well. Okay, so this is the solution of the C part of question number 12. You can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, तो अपनी अपनी notebook में लिख लीजिएगा and do this sum very neatly in your notebooks. Clear बच्चा? चलिए, now moving next to the question number 13 of exercise 15.1. Study the following pattern and write the next 3 terms. Okay. So now we will move to the 13th sum of the same exercise 15.1. तो देखिए इसमें क्या है, study the following pattern and write the next 3 terms. So इसमें हमने क्या किया है, so first of all a pattern is given, उसको ध्यान से देखते हुए उसको observe करते हुए you have to find the answer of the next 3 blanks that are given. So first of all I am just going to write the pattern first. After that we are going to observe the pattern. So the question number 13 is 1 1 2 3 5 8. Okay, I think that will be the out of the box हो जाएगा. थोड़ा सा इसको एडजस्ट करके लिखते हैं, दोबारा से लिखते हैं. ओके, 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 blanks and blank. Okay, so now this is the pattern that is given in the B part of question number 13. तो जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 दिया है उसके बी पार्ट में दिस इज द गिवन. सो नाउ सबसे पहला काम आपको क्या करना है, दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दैट ये जो ऑलरेडी सम्स और द ऑलरेडी सॉल्यूशन दैट आर गिवन वो कैसे हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व इट. ओके, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू, ठीक है, जो ऑलरेडी दिया होगा ऑब्वियसली सबसे पहले हम उसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, तभी हम जो बाकी बचे हुए उसको निकाल पाएंगे ना. ओके, सो देखिए here it is 1, then again it is 1, but here it is 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 13. इसमें ना ही कोई skip counting है. ओके, there is no such skip counting, no even numbers, no odd numbers. कुछ नंबर इसमें even है तो कुछ odd है. देखिए 2 and 8 is even, 3 and 5 and 13 is odd. So now let's observe the pattern. So here it is 1 and here it is repeated 1 again. Then it is 2. तो देखिए 1 and 1 plus 2, 2 and 1 plus 3, 3 and 2 plus 5, 5 and 3 plus 8, 8 and 3 plus 13. देखो पैटर्न देखिए, अभी मैं आपको देखिए 1 के आगे कोई डिजिट नहीं है, सो देर इज नो डिजिट, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर, ये क्वेश्चन का नंबर है ना, 13 इज द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, तो 1 के आगे हमारे पास कोई डिजिट नहीं है। अगर हमारे पास कोई डिजिट नहीं होता किसी के आगे तो हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो उसके आगे क्या लगा है 0। अगर किसी नंबर के आगे कोई भी डिजिट नहीं दिया है, सो दैट हम क्या सोचते हैं, दैट इट इज 0, इट इज इनविजिबल, 0 इज देयर, सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट इट हियर, हम इसको लिखेंगे नहीं, बट वी विल टेक इट एज दैट इट इज द 0 ओनली। ओके, तो देखिए इससे पहले कुछ नहीं है, सो 1 को 0 से प्लस किया, दैट विल बी 1, 1 प्लस 0 दैट इज 1, जो कि हमने यहाँ लिखा ना। अब हमारे पास ये 1 आ गया, उससे पहले ही बना, तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, देखिए 1 से पहले कुछ नहीं है, तो दैट विल बी 1, इसको और इसको प्लस किया, दैट इज 1, नाउ 1 प्लस 1 इज 2, 2 प्लस 1 इज 3, जो कि हमारा यहाँ पे आया, 2 प्लस 3 इज, इन दोनों को प्लस किया आया 5, दैट वी हैव रिटन हियर, 3 प्लस 5 इज 8, जो कि हमने यहाँ लिखा, 5 प्लस 8 इज 13, दैट वी हैव रिटन हियर, 8 प्लस 13, 8 प्लस 13 विल बी 21, कितना आएगा 21, जो कि हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, सो 8 प्लस 13 इज 21, 8 plus 13 is 21, 13 plus 21, 13 plus 21, जरूरी नहीं है कि हर कैलकुलेशन आपको ऑरली करनी है, अगर आपको लगता है कि दैट यू कांट डू इट ऑरली, यू कैन डू द एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन इन द रफ एज वेल। ओके, सो 13 plus 21, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, so that is 34, कितना आया, 13 plus 21 is 34। ओके, नाउ 21 plus 34, 21 plus 34, 21 plus 34, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, that is 21 plus 34 is 55, so that is we are going to write here, that is 55। अब 55 के आगे कुछ होता तो हम 34 और 55 को प्लस करते। ओके, सो देखिए वी हैव इन दिस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न वी हैव फॉलोड, सो इन दिस वी हैव फॉलोड द पैटर्न ऑफ सम ऑफ 2 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर, तो लगातार जो 2 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स मीन्स जो उसके साथ जो नंबर दिया हुआ है, सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे जो दो नंबर्स हैं उनको हमने क्या किया, हमने ऐड किया, 1 के आगे कुछ नहीं था, तो 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 13 is 34, 34 plus 21 is 55. So in this we have followed the pattern of addition of 2 consecutive numbers. तो जो 2 consecutive numbers हैं उनको हमने क्या किया है, ऐड किया है। Okay, so this is how we are going to do this sum. So I will just write it very clearly. अभी तो मैंने आपको समझाया है। Okay, so आपको क्या ऊपर हेडिंग लिखते हुए आपको क्वेश्चन करना है, 1 1 2 3 8 no sorry 5 8 8 13, ठीक है, उसके बाद 13 के बाद ब्लैंक थे, यस दिस एंड दिस, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 13 is 34, 34 plus 21 is 55. So this is the solution of the sum number 13 of exercise 15.1. So just note it down in your notebooks and do write the question as well. Okay, some of you are not writing the questions and that looks very poor, and kindly do your work in very clear handwriting. बहुत बच्चे बहुत गंदी हैंडराइटिंग में काम भेज देता बेटा, and that is not be acceptable. Clear? So kindly do each and every sum in a very clear and good handwriting so the teachers feel good while checking your notebooks. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 15.1. Okay. Let's move to the 14th question of exercise 15.1. इसी exercise के let's move to the 14th question. 14th question of exercise 15. So देखिए question number 14 is study the pattern and extend it to two terms. तो पैटर्न को पढ़ते हुए वी हैव टू एक्सटेंड इट टू 2 टर्म्स, मतलब उसके पैटर्न फॉलो करते हुए हमें उसके नेक्स्ट 2 नंबर्स या नेक्स्ट 2 फिगर्स आएंगे, हमें उसको लिखना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट ए पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज हियर इट इज 123, then it's 1234. Then what will be the next one? तो देखिए, so you have to observe the pattern first. सबसे पहले हमें जो पैटर्न ऑलरेडी दिया है उसको observe करना है. So as you can observe, the head is 12, then 123, then 1234. तो देखिए, as we are observing, यहाँ पे 1 and 2 is given, that is 12. Then it is 1, 2 and 3, that is 123. Then it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 1234. तो that means उसके हर स्टेप में जो नेक्स्ट डिजिट है वो ऐड होता जा रहा है. यहाँ पे 1 and 2 था, then it became 1, 2, 3. तो आप इसको 1, 2, 3 तो नहीं बोल सकते बिकॉज इट्स अ नंबर दैट इज 123. ठीक है, तो पहले 1, 2 दैट इज 12, then 1, 2, 3. तो पहले यहाँ पे they have added 3, then added 4. So that means they are just writing the next digit. According to the counting, they are just writing the next digit. Okay, so that means it's, if here it is 1, 2, then it's 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब इसको आप 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 नहीं बोलेंगे, you will term it as 12,345. So we will term it as 12,345. So what will be the next? इसके बाद क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. कितना हो गया? 12. So देखिए, now it is 1,23,456. Okay, I will just write it a little bit clear. 1,23,456. Okay, so the pattern started with 12 and ended at 1,23,456. Okay, moving to the B part of the same question number 14. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 के बी पार्ट में देखिए व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न दैट इज रिटन हियर. सो हियर इट इज 21/33 प्लस 321/444 प्लस 4321. It's 5,555. So now आपको नेक्स्ट 2 बताने हैं कि तो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट 2. सो एज यू कैन सी, देखिए हमारे वाले में ऊपर वाले में एक एक डिजिट पीछे बढ़ता गया था. तो देखिए क्या था, क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर फॉर्म में दिया है. सो दैट इज 21, देन 321, देन 4,321. दैट मीन्स देखिए पहले यहाँ 1, 2, देन इट्स अगर पीछे से देखिए 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here will be 54,321. अब इसके लिए 5 हो जाएगा, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे 54,321. नेक्स्ट में क्या होगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द न्यूमरेटर ओनली. देन इट विल बी 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we are adding just one number in the front. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we are just adding 3, one number. Now it's 33, 2 digits. 444, 3 digits. 5555, 4 digits. तो देखिए नंबर जो नेक्स्ट लिखते जा रहे हैं, बट द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आर ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. सो दैट मीन्स हियर वी विल राइट 6, बट हियर आर 2 3s are there, 3 4s are there, 4 5 are there. So then here will be 6 5. Sorry, 5 6 are there. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पे 4 थे, 5, यहाँ पे 5 हो जाएंगे 6. 1 2 3 4 5. Next it will be 7. So here 1 2 3 4 5, it will be 7 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So this is how you are going to solve this kind of pattern sums. Okay class, so this is the solution of the A and the B part of question number 14 of exercise 15.1. Okay, so you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here on the class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.